Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to make AE or After Effect like text on a Capcut. So the first thing you have to do is just go open and create a new project, but I will like to suggest you please use this black background as the first video. So after that you just need to go make a text that you want to put into your video. So let's go click this text button, go click add text, and now you just need to type the text. And after you got it, you just need to go styling your text by go click into the font. So you can choose any fonts that you want to use for your text here. Okay, I think I would like to use this one. And after that you just need to go into these styles, and let's make a glow effect by go click this glow, click this one, and you just need to choose how the way you create the glow for the text. You can decreasing the intensity and increasing the range. And after that you just need to jump into the animation, and in this animation you just need to go into the out part, and please find expand effects for the text right here, and I just need to go click it. And now you just need to adjusting how will you apply this effects into the text, and I will like to make it to be in a whole text duration. And after that you just need to go click this checklist button. And now for the next thing we need to do is just adjusting the length of the text to be like the same with the length of the video. And we can adjust in the animations again, make it like being a whole time of the video. And here is the result. Now let's just export it. Make sure that you use the highest resolution, which is the 4K and the 60 for the frame rates. And now you need to export it. We need to export the video, save into our device, and hold on until the process is complete. Almost there. And now it's already 100%. And then for the next thing we need to do is just go back and let's create a new project with the video that we want to add the text to. So I will like to add the text in into this video. So then the thing that we need to do is just go bring this straight line back into the beginning of the video clip, and after that we need to add the previous video, which is the text video, by adding the add overlay and choosing the text or the video that containing the text. And right after that we need to blend it by go click blend and choose lighter and go click this checklist button. And after that we need to add the keyframe for this one. So you just need to go click the mask on this bottom feature, and after that you just need to click this horizontal and adjusting it horizontally, make it like going here. And after that you just need to go click this plus button to add a keyframe. And then after that you just need to like drag into the end of the clip while dragging the text right here. And here is the result. So that's the way how to create in AE or After Effects like text on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.